Have you ever had an app idea but thought, I can't code, so there's no way I could build it? Well, what if I told you that in just a few hours, I built a beautiful iPhone calorie tracker using AI? And I'm not talking about a simple mock-up. This is a real mobile app. It has a polished design, secure authentication, real user accounts, and production-ready code. Let's take a look. The experience starts with a clean onboarding flow. New users create an account, then answer a few simple questions. Things like their age, height, weight, activity level, and their fitness goal. Whether they want to lose weight, build muscle, or simply maintain their current weight. The app automatically calculates personalized daily calorie and macronutrient targets. No manual calculations. No guessing. Everything is personalized from the start. Once inside the app, users are greeted by a clean, modern dashboard. Right at the top is a calorie progress ring showing exactly how many calories have been consumed and how many are left for the day. Below that, they can instantly see their protein, carbohydrates, fat, and daily water intake. Everything is designed so users can understand their progress in just a few seconds. Logging meals is just as simple. Users can search for food, manually add a meal, or upload a photo of what they're about to eat. The app analyzes the image, then displays a complete nutritional breakdown: calories, protein, carbohydrates, fat, sugar, fiber. It even includes an overall nutrition score to help users make healthier choices. For this version, I decided not to add barcode scanning. Instead, I focused on making photo uploads and manual food logging as fast and seamless as possible. Sometimes, building fewer features creates a much better product. And a profile page where users can update their goals, change measurement units, manage reminders, and prepare for future Apple Health integration. Of course, a beautiful app is only half the story. Behind the interface is a production-ready codebase built with Antigravity. The project uses a clean and scalable architecture, reusable components, secure authentication, protected API requests, request validation, proper error handling, environment-based configuration, and built-in rate limiting to help secure the back end. In other words, it's built like a real app, not just a prototype. And finally, my favorite part, the redesign. Using Google Stitch, I completely refreshed the user interface. The new design feels cleaner, lighter, and much more premium. It features elegant typography, soft gradients, beautiful spacing, rounded cards, modern navigation, and a much stronger visual hierarchy. Every screen feels like it belongs on the App Store. What excites me most isn't just this calorie tracker. It's what tools like these make possible. Going from an idea to a polished, secure, production-ready iPhone app is becoming faster than ever before. Get the source code for this project for free. The link in the description.